Most squeegees fail where it matters most: curved glass. They leave streaks, missed spots, and poor contact on windshields, mirrors, and more. And poor visibility isn't just inconvenient, it increases eye strain, distraction, and collision risk by up to 30%. Meet the KataCurv Squeegee, the only tool with patented curved blade geometry that maintains full edge-to-edge contact on curved, angled, and flat glass. Curved mode hugs domed windshields and interior glass. Flat mode tackles mirrors, windows, and counters. Streak-free, skip-free performance no matter the surface. KataCurv is compact, foldable, and travel-ready, with adjustable blades and a configurable handle that switch between curved and flat modes for clean, consistent performance anywhere. One modular platform replaces multiple SKUs across auto, home, and pro cleaning. It's patent protected, built for premium positioning, and designed to scale product lines with ease. Curved glass changed the problem. Tools never adapted. KataCurv did. Now available for licensing. From curved to flat, just like that.